Handakta Meghalaya amadi Assamga ngamkhailonariba Mukrokta Assam Police-na nongmai kapthorakpada Meghalaya ki micham manga amadi Assamgi forest guard ama yauna sikhiba thokdok atugi matangda ngasi Meghalaya ki Chief Minister Conrad Sangma na luchinba Cabinet Delegation amana Union Home Minister Amit Shah ga ngasi New Delhi da unnagadouri masigi matangda mihut kangbu asina Assamgi Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma gasu amuk unnagadouri Conrad Sangma yauna mahaki Cabinet kangbu amana ngarang thodok aduda leikhidraba imung manungi mioi singda Mukroh na chatuna unaki Kongchat aduda Meghalaya Government ki Deputy Chief Minister Preston Taishan PHE Minister Renikot Lingdod Urban Affairs Minister Swainbalang Dar amadi Social Welfare Minister Kairem Shaila loinaki Kongchat adugi manungda leikhidraba sing adugi leihoriba imung singda ex gratia gi senfom oina lupa lakh manga gi check husinaki Imung manungga unaba aduda thodok adugi matangda state amadi government ki maikaidagi nungaitaba phongtokhi Kongchat aduda khul aduda tilamba miyamna wangang laduna Conrad Sangma na hai leikhidraba sing adubu ikai khumnaba utpa oina Meghalaya da makhal amatagi government kamari leinaba thauram sing amadi kumai harau loina leple mihat adubu yaningdaba utuna khongjan changseliba khongjang loi singda unaduna wari sanabada Conrad Sangma na makhata na haikibada Meghalaya amadi Assam government anigi marakta thodok asigi matangda NIA natraga CBI bu thikat hanbada yanari amadi Assam government nasu Meghalaya government cooperation chawna piri thodok adugi matangdagi mafam adugi police station gi OC amadi forest gi mioi khudingmak thawaktagi suspend tawbada natana Karvi Anglon gi SP shu transfer tawkhre Kongchat aduda Jentia Student Union gi maikaidagi Mukroh ta police outpost ama hangnaba memorandum ama bishanki Masigi paukhumda barato da handakta police outpost ama sagatuna leiri masigi athuba mathau tawba horagani haina Conrad Sangma na haiki
investigate at the earliest and ensure that proper and swift action is taken and as I mentioned that we have also discussed I have discussed with CM of Assam that this incident we are going to ask Government of India that a central agency should investigate in this. Either NIA or CBI should inquire and investigate in this. And Assam government has agreed that they will cooperate and they will also ask Government of India that central agency should investigate. So that is the status as of now. But we will ensure that investigation moves swiftly.